Welcome to Defense Universe.
The Indian Air Force IAF achieved yet another milestone by successfully landing a C-130J aircraft using night vision goggles, or NVG, at an advanced landing ground in the eastern sector. The use of NVGs for nighttime operations significantly enhances the IAF's capability to conduct operations with precision, even in low-light conditions, thereby bolstering its strategic advantage. The C-130J is a state-of-the-art aircraft featuring a two-pilot flight station and short takeoff and landing capabilities. It is equipped with fully integrated digital avionics, allowing for all-weather, day-night operations using night vision goggles and infrared thermal imagery. Additionally, the aircraft includes color multifunctional liquid crystal displays and head-up displays with advanced navigation systems, including dual inertial navigation and GPS, enhancing its operational versatility across various terrains. The aircraft's remarkable capabilities were underscored during a night evacuation of Indians from an unprepared airfield in Sudan in April last year, conducted without landing or crash facilities, showcasing the professionalism of IAF pilots. In January this year, the IAF achieved an important milestone in its operational capabilities when a C-130J aircraft successfully completed its first night landing at the Kargil airstrip. By successfully conducting NVG-aided landings at such locations, the IAF demonstrates its commitment to maintaining a high level of readiness across all theaters of operation. Now, if you want to know more about Indian Navy Marcos para-drop operation, then check this out.